I'm Jason, the world is yours, and this is how to make a white Russian. 3 simple ingredients, half and half creamer, Smirnoff vodka, and Kahlua ice. I'm gonna start with the creamer. I'm not measuring it because this is not a bar. I'm just trying to drink tonight, right? Cheers. We got a little bit of creamer in there, maybe about an ounce, a little bit more. Throw in some Kahlua. That looks like a little bit like an ounce right there. We may go about 2 ounces with the Smirnoff vodka. Love me some vodka, right? Smirnoff. Go a little bit over 2 ounces probably. Oh, that's strong right there. Quick, simple drink. Stir it up, just a quick stir. Nice color on that. 3 simple ingredients. Half and half creamer, Smirnoff vodka, Kahlua coffee liqueur. Let me take a sip. See the drink? Looks good. Let me take a sip. No measurement. Oh, that's perfect. It's literally perfect. I'm not even joking. Let me take one more sip. That's literally perfect. It's like a dessert, right? Oh yeah, that's actually perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Yep. Well, thank you for watching. I'm Jason, the world is yours. This is how to make a white Russian drink. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the $1 donation button. And please tune in to the next video on this channel. Thanks a million for watching.